Defense Chief Gilberto Teodoro Jr. has dismissed China's alleged proposal to establish a common fishing area at Bajo de Masinloc, calling it as PR and maintaining that the 2016 arbitral award already recognizes that location as a traditional fishing ground for the Philippines. The full details in this Patrick De Jesus report.
Hindi tayo pinanganak kahapon. Yan ay karapatan under the arbitral award.
Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. strongly rejected the reported proposal of Chinese Ambassador Jing Chuen to establish a common fishing area in Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc, which was submitted to the Department of Foreign Affairs. Teodoro, a known critic of China, maintained that the 2016 arbitral award had already recognized Bajo de Masinloc as a traditional fishing ground, making such proposals unnecessary. He also said that China's actions contradict its claims of seeking a peaceful resolution.
Tatanggap ka ng proposal na sasabihin mo dahil sa proposal nila kaya nagka-common fishing ground. Nakalagay na yun dyan eh. Common fishing ground with our ECC. So sino niloko nila? PR ang gawa nun eh. Ngayon, sa kabila naman ito, ang dami nilang kabalbalan na ginagawa.
China has long maintained that it does not recognize the arbitral award that favored the Philippines and declared that there is no legal basis for Beijing's 9-dash line claim over the South China Sea. This July marks the 10th anniversary of the Philippines' historic arbitral victory.
Nakikita na natin ang convergence efforts dito na ginagamit na basis ang arbitral award. Kaya hindi ito papel lamang. Yan ay hindi dapat mapaikot ng mga mapalinlang na gawain ng mga gustong sirain ang ating pagkakaisa.
In addition to Palawan, Cebu City and Labrador, Pangasinan have also declared July 12 as West Philippine Sea Victory Day, the same date the 2016 arbitral award was handed down. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.